As we already established, I am William III. I took the throne with my wife after the reign of James II. I am also sometimes known as William Prince of Orange. In 1683, Louis XIV looted the province of Orange, causing my own bitter hatred toward him to ignite. A lot of my reign was spent invading other provinces and brilliant strategizing, if I do say so myself. In 1697, I signed the peace treaty of Ryswick with Louis XIV. I wore a necklace with a lock of my wife's hair and her wedding ring after she died in 1694. When I met with Parliament, I told them this memorable quote, "Let there be no other distinctions heard amongst us for the future, but of those who are for the Protestant religion and the present establishment, and of those who mean a popish prince and a French government." I will only add this: if you do in good earnest desire to see England hold the balance of Europe, and to be indeed at the head of the Protestant interest, it will appear by your right improving the present opportunity. In 1702, my story came to a slow tragic end. I was riding my horse and she stumbled over a molehill. I fell and broke my collarbone. I was weak and fought a fever shortly after that, but eventually gave up,